So we're going to take a look at this Faboka electric drill. It's a cordless drill and driver. It comes with a lot of accessories. We'll take a look at how it works, what's in the box. This was sent out for review, but the opinions are my own. It's gray, black, and green. It's got a really cool color theme. It comes with a lot of accessories like sheetrock, wall screws. You get a lot of the different sizes. You get drill bits here. You get this cool little tool here that connects inside, and you could like wrap it around. Hard to get to spot. And then you get these here. So it comes with a lot of accessories. It's got a 1 and a 2 kind of power. The 1 or 2 speeds there. This could change as well. It's got 1 through 18. And all you gotta do is loosen this here. Take that drill bit out, replace it with another, tighten it back up. And it's got a light on the front here, forward and reverse here. And you press this down here, you could remove the battery so that you could charge it with this here. So it's a pretty cool little drill. Will be perfect for like the DIY around the house for sure. You know, mounting stuff on walls, fixing little things here and there that you need a drill. Maybe you got to build some shelves. But this would be perfect for that. And that's the Faboka drill set. Includes 1 battery, a bunch of accessories, and a pretty solid drill that's cordless.